In this video, guys, I will share with you how to log in my Banque Postale. So friends, all you have to do, if you want to log in your account, go to Google, search for Banque Postale, as you can see here, and then guys click on login customer area from here, and then guys you see this login page, your personal account. Write your 10 shifter from here and click continue. If you want to log into insurance area, click this option, and then you will see this on TV codes. Write your 10 shifter, and then guys click on continue. And then on the same thing guys on the app, if you want to log in on the app, just click the Banque Postale app, and then you should be download this app on Play Store or Google Play. After login or download the app, click login option. You see login area from here, just like this exactly. Write your password and then confirm login. Thanks for watching guys this video. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and share this.